Only when my mom was little.
What?
Only when my mom was little, you were the boss.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm the boss.
So tell her you're not.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Tell her you're wearing Dash.
I'm wearing Dash.
You're the boss?
No, I'm wearing Dash.
Dash.
Uh-huh.
I'm not, and you don't get the present I got for you.
No.
Yeah?
No.
That present, you better not come here instead.
Yes, I am.
Well, then, I guess I'll give it to somebody else.
Uh,
Or I'll take it back to the store.
Tell her about Santa. Santa won't give her anything.
Santa won't give you anything if you do that.
What?
Santa won't give you anything if you do that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm the boss.
No, you're not. You're not the boss. You're not the boss.
You're not getting it. You hear? All right?
No, not all right.
Okay, if it's not all right, then I guess I keep it. I keep it for somebody else. Take
What are
it
you gonna keep?
No fighting, Buster. I'm the boss.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
You're not. Who said I'm not?
Say I'll be over later. Did you hang up on her?
Just hang up on me.
Ask her. Oh.
Hello. Please leave your message after the beep.
Say we're coming in.
Why should I say work?
Hello.
Why? You're not the boss, wise owl.
You're a little pipsqueak and you can't tell me. I'm the boss. I'm the grandma. I'm the boss.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
My dad and me are the boss and Justin. Yeah.
If you come as Dash, you're not getting your toy. And that's final.
Stop it.
That's final, Matthew.
I'm gonna hang up on it.
Go ahead, say I'm see you later as Dash.
See you later as Dash.